Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to know whether you are blocked by someone on iMessage on iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to try to contact with someone on iMessage, which means if you try to send a message to someone and if you do not get the reply from that person, and if you have a doubt that that person has blocked you on iMessage, so how you can know about that? So there are many methods to check for that. So if you want to know about that, then you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now you have to simply first of all send the message to that person, and you have to check whether the color of the message icon or change or not. So if someone responds to you then well and good. Then if someone doesn't reply to you, then you can simply check for these settings. So first of all, you have to simply call the person. If you contact the person and then phone rings only once before going directly to voicemail, this could be a sign that your number has been blocked. So second, you can simply FaceTime the person. You have to try to attempt the FaceTime may provide by a clue. If your FaceTime call does not go through, it could indicate a block. You can also message that person on another messaging app like Messenger or any other social media platform. Moreover, you can also check for notification. iMessage does not notify you if you have been blocked, because it doesn't tell you whether you are blocked or not. Moreover, there are maybe a reason that a lack of delivered or read status could also be because their phone is off. Moreover, they maybe have not signals. Moreover, if you want to confirm, then you have to simply wait for a few days and check your messages again. Moreover, you can also use the message bubble color, which means you can check for bubble message color, which means if a bubble message color changes, then which means the person has checked the message and they have blocked you. That's why they are not responding. So you have to make sure that your message bubble color is showing. So in this way, you can simply check for that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.